Hey there awesome people, I hope you guys are doing great. So this is your Vibro from Tech Week, and today in this video we are going to be testing out and reviewing the AirPods 2 that costs around 1200 Indian rupees or 15 US dollars. And I know AirPods 2 at the price of 15 US dollars is really hard to believe. We have some things to discuss, which we will be discussing in a later part of this video, so let's roll the intro. Alright, so first, when you buy this AirPods 2 that costs around $15, what you get inside the box? Well, the box looks like that it is made by Apple, but the printing here, you can see that it is not really high quality. The printing is not really good. Towards the side, you see that there are serial numbers. The Apple logo is not centered, and also the fonts doesn't look really real or anything as such. But on the bottom, or on the bottom hand side, you see the price. It says 14,900 rupees, which is completely false, because it just costs 1200 Indian rupees or 15 US dollars. So yeah, so after you open up the box, the first thing you get is instruction manual information, which is nothing but designed by Apple in California, as you can see. Inside it, you get the instruction manual, how to use your AirPods and stuff like that, which looks pretty much like the ones that are made by Apple, but the folding is not the real deal. And underneath that, you get the AirPods itself. Right now, I don't have the AirPods with the plastic covering. It comes with a plastic layer that you have to peel it. I already did peel. That's why you can see that it is just lying on the box. But keeping the AirPods aside, inside this flimsy piece of plastic, as you can see, is just really cheap piece of plastic. Inside you will get a USB-C to lightning cable, and now you must be feeling very, very generous that okay, Apple did provide us, not Apple, this manufacturer did provide us with a USB-C to lightning cable, and you can use it to charge up your iPhone. Yay! But no, let me just break the ice. You cannot use this cable to charge your iPhone. I don't know why it just doesn't work, but yes, you can use it to charge the AirPods that comes with the cable. So you can use it to charge your AirPods, but not your iPhone. I don't know why. I tried using it on older iPhones as well as newer ones. It just doesn't work. These are just piece of crap. Well, other than that, let's take a look at the build quality of these AirPods 2 that cost around $15. Well, of course, they're not created or manufactured by Apple. These are... Let me just mute my phone, all right? Yeah, now my phone is muted, it won't make any crazy noise or whatsoever. So yes, talking about the build quality and also the connectivity, it is pretty great, even though this is not manufactured by Apple or anything as such, but the connectivity is great. But before that, like I said, the build quality, the case, I would say looks pretty like the genuine one. There's a button in the back. But yes, the things that are written on the back, which is designed by Apple in California, assembled in USA, if you can see, is not in the original font. So there you can get to know that this is not the original deal. These are purely knockoffs. But the button, it feels pretty good. The light does pops up, and when you open up the lid feels a bit flimsy, as you can see. The lid is a bit flimsy. It doesn't feel like it is made pretty well, but hey, $15, what can you expect? But other than that, these AirPods, when you put it on your ears, they feel really comfortable in my ears. As you can see, they feel pretty comfortable in my ears, and also I am able to use it whenever I'm going for a walk or whatever things it may be. But yeah, the feels, it is pretty nice. The dimension of these earphones or headphones are pretty much like the real deal. Even the weight of the AirPods are pretty much like the real deal. You won't be able to notice that these are not the real things and stuff like that. And also the comfort, it just feels really good, and it just feels like the real deal. There's no problem or there is no difference that you can just feel. Now let's talk about connectivity. I won't say anything. First of all, let me just put those earbuds on my case, on the charging case, and let me take my iPhone and record my screen so that you will be able to see. I'll put it on this side or this side, wherever the wherever I have some free space. So right now my screen is recorded on my phone. Okay, right now the screen is recorded. This is my earbuds, or the AirPods Pro, that cost $15. I'll just open up the lid. I'll open up the lid and you can see it says not your AirPods. Okay, let's click on connect, hold the button, and we will hold the button and hold it for some time. And we can see the animation. It says AirPods connecting, and you can see Vibro's AirPods is connected. Yeah, you can see the screen sharing, right? The earbuds are at 100% and the charging case it at 93%. I know it's pretty crazy for $15. I don't know how they're able to do it, but that's how it is. You can use it on your iPhone, and you might be thinking this is an iPhone 7 running iOS 15. It won't be working in iOS 17 or 16, but trust me guys, I did try it and it just works pretty great. I'm so sorry, I was just looking at the screen. You might think this guy is not looking at us, but I am looking at you. Trust me, my eyes are on you. So yes, it does work in iOS 16 as well as iOS 17. Now the biggest question, how does it sound? How's the audio quality? Well, if you heard the real deal, if you consider that to be at a 10 on 10, the original AirPods 2, then I would say these are around 8.5 to 9, because trust me, I didn't find any difference. The only difference I could find is the bass. It's a bit less, in comparison to the real deal. The bass quality is a bit low, but other than that, you won't be able to find any difference. The treble is good, the mids are good, everything is good. But what about the audio quality or sound quality? Not sound quality, the microphone quality. That's what I meant to say. Let's take a look at that. Let me go ahead to the voice memo application, and I will be recording a voiceover right now.
So right now, the voice that you're listening to is coming out straightly from the AirPods 2 that cost around $15, or 1200 rupees, because I'm from India. So this is how it sounds. So if you think that you are on a voice call, or you are on a FaceTime call or video call or whatever it may be, this is how the person would hear you. And if you think it is quite passable, it is okay-ish, or whatever it may be, just let me know in the comment box down below. But trust me, personally, I use it when I was traveling in bus, as well as on train, as well as when I was walking in the busy street. People were able to listen to me clearly with no problems. But only one drawback that I found is that whenever you're in a call, the sound is not that much high. You might feel some difficulties listening to the other person. I don't know why, but while listening to music, the volume is pretty good. But while on call, the volume is not that much high, and I don't know why this is, but that's what it is. Now, let me just break it down to you. If you're interested in buying these
AirPods, where can you get them? Where can you get these AirPods? Let me just stop the recording right now. So where can you buy these AirPods 2 that cost around 1500 rupees? Oh yes, again I forgot, this case has a wireless charging capability, and it does charge. I tested it out and it just works pretty great, and I don't know how they just did it at such an affordable price, but yes, it does work. But yes, now talking about where can you buy the product, like I said, there is no script. That's why I'm making so much of errors. But hey, this is Vibro, and I am very expert, or very... Walk away. Those were just birds, I'm really good with birds. They just come here to shout, and we just offer them some food. That's why they're hungry, and they were just shouting at me. I will have them. I'll give them food after this video. But yes, where can you buy this? Just check in the video description. Now, trust me guys, I am not promoting these things. I'm not saying that you should go and buy these instead of the Apple ones. But if you're interested in checking out these knockoffs, like how they are, if you're just a casual listener, you just need a wireless earphones to have a conversation with your friends, like a microphone, like just to have a conversation with, just for calling purpose, then of course you can just go ahead and try. You heard how the phone sounds, and yes, you can check the video description there. You will get the buy links from it. And if you're outside from India, then also I will put some Alibaba or maybe AliExpress links down there so that you can go ahead and check it out for yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any thoughts or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box down below, as this video is unscripted, so I might have missed a few things. Please let me know in the comment box down below and I'll surely let you guys know about it. Well, that's pretty much it. This is Vibro. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.